about to make for you guys, because in this video I'm going to do a top-down analysis and an entry using the strategy that I taught you guys last week. So as you know, many traders will come on YouTube, they'll be like, top-down analysis, this is it, but they never show you an entry, how you can capitalize. And there's no strategy that lines up with those top-down analysis, but I'm here to solve that problem for you. Okay, so let's go to the weekly. All right, let's go to the weekly. All right, so now seeing this candle, all right, this candle alone is a bias for you. All right, if you remember, I've made so many videos telling you that once you see this, we're bullish. You see this price closing above this bullish candle, bearish candle, we're bullish. All right, so you knowing that we are bullish, all right, then you drop down to lower time frame on 4 hour because you're about to apply time frame alignments to it. Okay, so this video, I just want to make this video very short. So getting into the week, all right, getting into the week, you want to catch that expansion. All right, you can see price is not expanding here. There's some reasons why price is not expanding here. All right, so then we can use this liquidity level. Let me tell you why. All right, the reason why we're going to use this is because this price has reacted to this one's, creating more liquidity. All right, creating more liquidity into it. And again, we have this order block here. All right, but this must not be exactly like this every week. But one thing for sure that you want to do is that when you have that bias, you want a pullback before the next candle will expand. All right, it's usually open. It's usually I'll need to draw this. It's usually open, low, high, close, right? That is what is going to be with every candle. But with you knowing this, all right, how do you want to capitalize and catch that entry? All right, so I'm not just drawing this randomly or just, as you all know, I always show my receipts. I shared this level in where? My free Telegram channel. You don't have to pay anything for it. All right, so let's continue. So using that strategy that I shared last week, how do you now apply it to this? Because someone actually asked me that question, and I'm glad the person asked. The person asked that, how do you apply top-down analysis to this strategy? Bro, this is it. So price reacting to this key level where you want price to reverse from and start giving you that expansion. All right, price reacting to here, or price will react to this other block. So price reacting to this and now creates that bullish signature for you. Okay, so here now we have the bullish signature. All right, we have the inversion fair value gap. What is that telling you? We are bullish already. This is bullish. Okay, so we're already bullish here. So then you want to come in the next day, because this day already done, the next day. So if you experience enough, you can catch the buy from here. But using the strategy, you will wait for the next day. Okay, so and you can see the strategy actually gave us that NFP move. Boom, that NFP move came from the strategy. All right, so this is the strategy here. So as you can see, we are bullish, right? We are bullish. And remember what I said, if we are bullish, you're waiting for the low to get swept. So we are bullish and the low got swept. And what happened next? That was the NFP. Boom. Anything confusing with this? Simple, straightforward. You just have to be very disciplined, and you wait. You have to sit down and wait. All right, you have to sit and wait. Let's say you were targeting this high. That's even fine also. Let's say you were just targeting this high, and so what? You were targeting this high, but let's say you already know that this is where the expansion is starting from. This was the first expansion, then this was the second one. So I said this was where it was starting from. This is where it started from, and you catch the second move. All right. Then if you go on 15 minutes, price broke this high here. Price broke this high, then a pullback into what? Into inversion. The same entry, but this is 15 minutes. Pull back into the inversion, then boom. So this is you using the strategy with a top-down analysis. Any more questions? You can comment with it. I promise you guys that when you ask me a question, I'm going to make a video based on your question, because those questions, some of you will have it in mind, or some of you will have problem with applying this with top-down analysis and this and that, but you wouldn't, maybe you wouldn't ask the question or whatever. But anyways, guys, this is it. You can apply this every week and get the same results. You can apply it every week and get, let me show you another example of you applying it every week and getting the same results. Okay, let's go to this week. I hope these people will let me go down here, trading view. All right, so let's go down here. Let's go down here. Hopefully they'll let me get to this level. Okay, yeah. So applying it here, you can see this was the first day we reacted to the levels where we want the weekly expansion to start from, right? So the next day, what happened? Price swept the low. Okay, price swept the low, and what happened? Boom. Ignore this one. This one that I mark out here is just it doesn't actually, it's not a strategy, it's something different that I'm still working on. It. So let's take it out. Trying to take out this one. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, it's out now. So you can see here, this is still 5 minutes. As you can see, we broke this high. And what happened? It's usually the big move. And price traveled. Since then, price is still going up. It's still going up since then. And boom, it came here and boom, going up. And that was this other candle. That was this other week candle. So let me go back to the weekly and show you something. So as you can see, you have your buyers, right? You have your buyers. You have your buyers. Your buyers here was bullish. Why? Because we have this easy buyers that I taught you guys. Check one of my videos, like put everything together. Check my videos and put everything together. Then you will get it. We have the buyers. So you're only looking for this week candle to open, sweep a low, sweep a liquidity, then boom. Once you sweep that liquidity, you're going down on the lower time frame, apply that strategy, and you catch the sweep of liquidity in the lower time frame. Because we're going to sweep the high time frame liquidity, then we sweep the lower time frame liquidity, then boom. Okay, so guys, I hope you are writing things down. If you didn't write things down, you can always rewind back the video and get what I said, because this is you applying the top-down analysis with the strategy, then you catch the big move. Boom, that's all. One trade a week is all you need. One trade a week is all you need. If you feel like you can catch multiple trades, cool, fine. But that one trade, there's this one trade a week. That's what I just showed you just now. All right, so